my mama.
So why are you trying to kill me?
Cause he not rocking the first off, Rob not rocking for Frank at all.
What you mean?
Like he didn't even know Frank, bro. The out here, that ain't doing shit, bro. I smacked that, bro. He ain't nobody, bro. What you mean? I really smacked that tripping over here in any game. What you mean?
Keon, you out the blue want to be with the and you keep threatening to kill everybody.
What are you talking about? Been with this, bro? What are you talking about, bro?
Yeah, maybe don't threaten to kill people. Don't threaten, and also don't do it. I don't think I have to say that, but just in case I do, don't threaten, don't do it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I am your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and we are going to be looking at some crazy ex-boyfriends freaking out. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. But before we dive into this video, you guys, I have some exciting news. Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, and it is their second birthday, and you know how much we love to celebrate around here. Not only is it the second anniversary of the game's release, but they want to give you guys some free gifts so that we can all celebrate together. I am still new to the game, but it is helping me pass the time in lockdown so quickly because I cannot put this game down. This month is Raid's 2-year anniversary, and the schedule is absolutely packed with amazing events. They've got 6 straight weeks of anniversary events and tournaments. They're even launching their first ever clan versus clan tournament, and if that's not enough, they're also releasing the first champion in the badass looking Shadowkin faction, which I can't wait to see. I'm definitely gonna try and get my hands on them. Raid's huge already, and their whole anniversary event makes it an awesome time to join the Raid community, so do not wait around. Ooh, I won a new champion! He is called the Axeman. Over the last 2 years, Raid has quickly raised the bar for mobile gaming, and the game is now even better than it was before, so it is the perfect time to start playing. For new players, Raid wants to give you guys a free epic champion named Jotun, who is so helpful doing the Doom Tower, and that is the biggest tower in the game. They also want to give you guys 100,000 silver, 50 gems, and 3 ancient shards, which will give you the power to summon even more champions to help you on all of your quests. All of the treasure is waiting for you right here. All you have to do is click the link in the description box if you are a new player and come and join us. All right, let's get into these boyfriend freakouts.
He's trying to break the door down. He's threatening her. I already called security. They haven't gotten up here, but he won't go. And he's like trying to break the door for me and her here by ourselves. And I just had surgery yesterday.
Real quick, Jasmine! Jasmine, real quick!
T like Tom.
Yo, please, Jasmine.
Yes.
Bye.
My last name is...
Don't cry now.
Yes, I'm home. 212-996-4546. Yeah.
You know I'm putting this on Facebook, right?
Stop it.
That's scary. Also, like, I don't know what he did, but I feel like she shouldn't be egging him on. This is obviously not a good situation, you know? Not that he should be, like, banging at the door like that, like things are falling off the door. Because that's not okay either. That's definitely a little bit next level.
Stop, no, move.
You're not going nowhere. Oh my God. You're not going nowhere.
Just leave him, stop, get out of the way, come on.
Like, don't stand in the way of somebody's moving vehicle. Man against car, the car's gonna win. You gotta be careful, be safe. It's not worth getting injured over, you know? And plus everyone else, they're stressed about it too.
Hey, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Oh wait, he's getting closer. Go get up past that car. Oh, it's red light. Don't do it. Oh, here he comes. I'm fixing to call the cops on him.
That's crazy. He's literally chasing them down in a car. Like, go away. Or somebody's gonna be like, that's a truck, not a car. I know it's a truck, okay? Also, that's scary. I know sometimes you gotta make a TikTok, but I probably would call the police instead of making a TikTok.
Hey yo, crazy ex-boyfriend check.
Yeah, you gonna touch me? I'm just
Go! I ain't playing with you. Go!
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? You're on my property.
I'm walking this way.
Go in the house. Go in the house, babe.
I'm fine, just right here.
Jacob, get off his property.
Dude, you need to leave now. Dude, this is not funny.
Ooh, I don't know if I feel like if she should have stayed or if she should have went in the house. Not that I think that he should be able to tell her what to do, but maybe her filming it like right there, walking around them, is kind of like escalating the situation.
I like this. This is cute.
Because the ex-boyfriend feels like probably he needs to present for his ex-girlfriend, and also her boyfriend probably feels the same way, but I also don't know because I'm not in the situation, so. Oh my god. What? That is too much. Were those gunshot holes? I feel like a hammer would shatter the whole thing though. I don't know. That's crazy. Oh, I thought she was crying for a second, but she's laughing.
Now, because he need to get out the car.
Yeah.
Don't laugh at his ignorance, man.
He looks so grumpy sitting there.
Mama, he gonna fall off the car. Mommy, you finna go to speed bump. Get out of the car.
Oh, like he's obviously doing the wrong thing, but then I don't want her to get in trouble because if she went over that speed bump and he got hurt, what would have happened in that situation? You know? I don't know.
I didn't do anything. You know, it's your drinking problem that screws up our relationship. You're a stupid Brian, and your Facebook, and your swearing, and everything that you do. Why can't you read a book or try to work on your education or do something instead of just being this wallowing pit of sympathy? You're not happy. It's your fault. You're the reason why. If I'm so bad, then talk to me about it in a real way instead of repeating the same thing or saying, you want your old life back, or all the other things that you say.
I had a lot of thoughts about this one. Maybe not the way to say it. And then on the other end of things, when he's like, you just keep saying the same thing over and over again, I'm like, if somebody says the same thing over and over again, sometimes it's because you didn't do the thing that they're asking. You know?
I ain't seen him. I just told you I seen him. You think I would in the window and my son right there?
My son right here bust the window.
Cause you think I bust the window and I knew my son was in the car? I don't care. That ain't nothing but materialistic shit.
I know you got a boyfriend that'll be fighting.
Man, whatever, man.
You a fag. You a faggot.
Okay, so he broke the window and then she's mad because the son was in the car when he broke the window. Whew. There's just a lot of yelling and a lot of name calling, a lot of rudeness going on, I'm not gonna lie. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And thanks for being here and watching some ex-boyfriends freaking out with me. I really appreciate it. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, so, I forgot. Wow. All right, off to a good start. Ugh, there are holes in my sweater and I'm still wearing it. Why am I like that? Just so no one calls me out. I know there's holes in my sweater. I know that, okay? I don't know. These are pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. These are all out of 10, for sure. I don't know, but maybe it could have been a strategy. What did I just say? It could have been a strategy. I don't know what I just said, but it was not that, I don't think. Bye.